Hello friends, welcome to EduSpire Career Development Private Limited. Today we are going to have a discussion on a circular seating arrangement question. So the question goes like this: 8 friends P, Q, R, S, T, U, V and W are sitting on a circular table facing towards the center. Q is between V and S. W is sitting third left to the Q and second right to the P. R is sitting between P and V. Q and T are not sitting in front of each other. So this much information we have got, that there are altogether 8 friends P, Q, R, S, T, U, V and W. They are sitting on a circular table facing towards the center. Q is between V and S. W is sitting third left to the Q and second right to the P. R is sitting between P and V. Q and T are not sitting in front of each other. Now we need to find who is third to the left of S. We have 4 options. We also need to find the other 4 questions: who is immediate right to T, who is sitting in front of R, and who is third to the right of Q, who is fourth to the left of P. All these we need to find out. So first let's see how to draw this figure, right? So this is the figure. All of them are facing center. So first what we are getting, Q is between V and S. So that we have maintained, we have kept Q between V and S. But we never know that confirmly that whether this is V or whether this is S. So why I have put it like this, I am going to tell you surely. Before that, let's see what other information we are getting. We are getting W is sitting third to the left of Q. Now left means clockwise, so if we consider Q over here, so third to the left of Q is this one and this one. This is the third position to the left of Q, that is W. Okay, and what other information we are getting? And second to the second right of P. So when 2 sentences are connected with and, so we can presume that it is for W only. W is sitting third to the left of Q and second right to P. W is sitting third to the left of Q and second right to P. So that we are getting that W is sitting third to the left of Q and second to the right of P. So this is your P. Okay, this is P and W is sitting second to the right. Right means anti-clockwise. So this is first right, this is second right. Second to the right of P is W. Okay, next what we are getting? Next we are getting R is sitting between P and V. So if this is P, so V has to be here and R is this one, because R is in between P and V. So this won't be S, this will be V, and this is P. R will be sitting over here in between P and V, right? Next, what information we are getting? We are getting Q and T are not sitting in front of each other. So we have got Q here, we have got W here, we have got P here, we have got R here and V here. So Q and T are not sitting in front of each other. So T will be placed here. Okay, T will be placed here and U will be placed here and S will be placed here. So this way we are getting this exact sitting positions. After getting this exact sitting position, it is very easy to calculate these answers, and it is very easy to answer this question. First question: who is third to the left of S? So this is your S. Third to the left of S is first left, second left, third left. Third left is U, right? Third to the left of S is U, right? Okay. Next question. So next question will be, who is to the immediate right to T? Immediate right to T. Immediate right to T is S, basically. Okay, so we can easily answer S. Who is sitting in front of R? In front of R, we are finding T, right? They are sitting face to face. So in front of R, it will be T. Who is third to the right of Q? Third to the right of Q, first right, second right, third right is P. So P is third to the right of Q. Who is fourth to the left of P? So fourth to the left of P, first left, second left, third left, fourth left is S. So S will be my answer. Hope you have understood this. Coming to what EduSpire Career Development is offering, we are offering a series of live online sessions for exam aspirants for IBPS, RRB, CAT, SSC, and campus jobs. Our chief mentor, co-founder, and director, Mr. Ankuran Das, is an alumni of IIM Bangalore and Jadavpur University. We have many other experienced faculty members with us. We provide live online classes by these expert mentors, exam-specific sessions, practice materials, and 24/7 doubt clearing classes. Apart from regular syllabus, we are also providing interview tips, group discussion tips, extempo, dress code tips. We prepare job aspirants with presentation skills, and we assist in CV making too. You will get live online classes, strategic guidelines for preparation, comprehensive course materials, regular interaction for doubt clearing and career counseling. We ensure personalized attention by keeping our batches small. You will understand what to prepare, how much to prepare, and you will get updated contents from multiple experts. You will be following a practical routine and will be able to balance all sections. We will be able to make a specific plan, how many questions from which chapters you need to do. You can discuss your plan with the experienced mentors to make your plan more effective. Online platform saves time without compromising other engagements. You will also get recorded videos for revision and easy access to the entire faculty team. So, no point delaying anymore. Feel free to contact us in the given numbers as early as possible.